I love street food and I love takeout food. One of my all-time favorites is Chicken Gyro. So cook along with me and let's get started. What you want to do first is add your chicken to a bowl. And this is just a couple of breasts that I've sliced up. You can use thighs too, they're a little bit juicier. In with about a quarter cup of olive oil, and use a good olive oil too if you have it. A couple of teaspoons of oregano, and if you have the Greek, use it. It's a little less bitter. About half a teaspoon of paprika, just a hit. Some cumin, about a teaspoon. I just love the smell of cumin. A little bit of thyme, about half a teaspoon or so, entirely up to you. Touch of coriander. Some salt. Don't go overboard with this. You can always put more in, but you can't take it out. Some ground black pepper. Life just wouldn't be the same without pepper. Pinch of cayenne just for that little bit of heat, and this is totally optional. Grate in some lemon zest. Just don't go too deep or it'll be really bitter. Couple of tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, using my other hand to avoid the pits. And last but not least, while I've got my grater out, I'm going to grate in 3 cloves of garlic. Now you can chop this too or use minced. Now this might seem like a lot, but it makes it so good. And if you don't have a few things, don't sweat it, you can leave it out. And some people use Greek yogurt, but I'm not going to use it. It's not really all that necessary. Now we'll just give everything a mix up until that chicken is nicely coated. This smells so good, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Now we'll just set this aside for a few minutes, and you can leave it overnight too if you like. Now it is time to cook our chicken up. And like I say, you can fry it, you can do like I'm doing, grilling it, you can bake it. Barbecue is nice too. Oh, just that smell is absolutely sensational, guys. Wow. This is going to be so good. After a few minutes, our chicken is beautifully grilled. So I'm just going to set these aside on a plate. I keep talking about the smell, but this smells so wonderful. Okay, my friends, it's time to build our gyro. So I've got my flat pita bread that I've heated up. You can get these in just about any grocery store in the baking section. And I'm going to add some tzatziki into the center. Now you can make this from scratch. I just bought this, so I'll put a recipe below if you want to make it. I just love tzatziki. Grab up some of that wonderful, delicious chicken. Onto the tzatziki sauce. Now you can chop the chicken a little finer if you want. This is fine for me though. Just about like this. Some lettuce. Guts to have the lettuce. Cucumber, of course, red onion, and last, some tomato or tomato. Oh my goodness, guys, doesn't this look good, refreshing, and relatively healthy? And there you have it, our chicken gyro, and it is time to eat. Oh, yum. Just give this a fold up, something like that. And look at this. And it is time to chow down, my friends. Here we go. Dropped a little piece there. Gyro at its best. This is so good, guys. You gotta make it. Just have to. I have more.